Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you are all fine. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Artifactory in Windows 10 PC. And before we start, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and here we go. So first of all, if you want to install the Artifactory, then you have to install the Java JDK also. So requirement is for 8, but now in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Java JDK 11. So first, now we are downloading the JFROG setup. So download the setup from the official site, and right now it is downloading. And to download the Java JDK, you have to just open the another tab and type download Java JDK. So I'm going to install the Java JDK 11 in my system. So click on the Java JDK 11 and now click on the .exe because we are running a Windows PC, so we have to download the .exe file. So now you have to log in here with your Oracle account. If you don't have account, then create an account. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. It is downloading right now, so we have to wait for it. Okay, it is downloaded now. So close this and open the download folder. And first we are going to install the Java JDK. Next, accept, next, install. If you have already installed the Java JDK in your system, so then it's fine, then no need to. As it's a open JDK, so we don't have to put the path in environment variable. It will automatically set up the path. So as you can see, it is installed. Now extract the Artifactory setup. I'm using the 7-zip tool to extract. It is very fast and easy to use. You can also download it from the Google or any other browser. It seems that there are lots of files in this folder, that's why it is taking that much time. Generally it will not take that much time, but as you can see, we have to wait here and can't do anything in that. It almost done. Yes, okay. So now double click on it and cut the folder. We have to paste it in the C drive. Yes, paste it here. As I'm using Windows 11, so there is option to cut and paste easily. So now the file is moved. So double click on it, go to the app and then go to bin, and here you can see all the bed files here. So we have to click on the first bed file, which is Artifactory. So double click on it. Now it will, now you don't have to do anything. It will automatically install the Artifactory services in your system. So once it will be done, then we can access it over the browser. I will show you how to do that. So it will take time soon. And one more thing, if you please hit the subscribe button below and like this video and share this video, and please comment on this video what do you want me to make a video next so I can give a solution to your problems. You can comment down on the comment section. I will respond to your comments also. So right now it is installing the services, and as you can see we have to provide the network access here because firewall prevent some services, so we have to allow them. And once it will be done, then you can access it over the browser, any browser you can use. And now it is creating a database schema. See how it's simple to install the Artifactory. And again it will ask you for the network access. So allow the access and see Artifactory is installed. So again we have to provide the access and click allow access. Now we have totally provided the access to the Artifactory. So none of the services are blocked from the firewall. And please hit the subscribe button below. It will show the support and how you guys are supporting me for. Actually, I'm trying my hard to provide the better solution for you. So it will make me happy if you subscribe the button. And it is almost done. Yes. And now open the browser. Yes, it is done. And type localhost hyphen, oh I'm sorry, localhost 8081 / Artifactory. So see, now we are able to access the Artifactory over the browser. So now it will ask for the username and password. So username will be admin and password is password. I've tried the wrong password before, so correct one is password. So login and close this, never, and click on the get started. You can reset your password from here. Okay, now click next. If you have a active license key, then you can activate it from here. I don't have it, so I'm not going to. I'm going to simply skip it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and like and share. And thank you. Bye bye.